that you were
telling my niece, I don't want to wear this sari, but no, I will wear it because my sisters gave it to me. This was given to me for my retirement. And I am hanging on my ears what my friends gave me before I retired. So though the weather doesn't seem anything, it is a love and the relationship that you and I have built up and that Clooney has helped us to build up. I can say so much, children, but I'm too shocked for words. I don't know what to say to all my old girls, to all of you, because all of you have contributed to this show. It was, I don't know, the moment when I saw my people come, I said, where are you all coming? Why are you all coming? They said, no, why are you worried? We are coming. And then I realized that, a lot of homework was done when I was away in Delhi. I happened to be away on school work, on ICSE work, and my old girls have made it. They've got all my loved ones. They've got all my loved friends, all my dear ones. And the greatest joy for me was here to see my principal, my mentor, and Sister Genevieve, such a busy person. And if she made it to come here and spend a few time, I said, Lord, you are wonderful. If she could do it for me, that means I have given her love and she has given me more love than what I gave her. And that is what I'm experiencing here today, children. Your love so pure, so untarnished. And I wish that this love will continue in all your relationships, in all your endeavors, wherever you go. May you be the one that people will look up to, that people will love. And it is the God in you that will come forth. And may you also, all the time as you diminish, let the Lord increase in you. And be the child that Clooney wished you to be, that our mother founders wished you to be. Simple, loving, peace-loving, and ready to give and give of your best. If I go on and on, I will not stop. So all I can tell you is, children, a very big thank you. I don't think this thanks is big enough for all that you have done for me and are doing for me. If you were not my students, I would not have grown as a teacher. And so if you gave me a credit today, it is because of you. What I saw I needed to fill in you made me a better teacher. And so thank you for helping me in my role to be a teacher and to follow in the footsteps of my master, who was also a teacher. Jesus was said to be the greatest teacher on earth. So thank you very much for all that you have done for me, and I assure you of my prayers. And if I am anything today, children, it's because of you. You have contributed to my personality. You have contributed to whatever I am. So a big thank you to each one of you, to my colleagues, to my principals in school and in college. I think my list will never end, to even my domestic workers who were able to contribute and teach me many things. Just a big thank you to one and all of you. And if I've ever left anybody out, please don't feel bad. I mean everything. I love you dearly, and nobody can take away my love for Clooney and my love for the Clooney children. You know, you give me such pride when people talk about you outside. I hear so many good things about each one of you. If I go to share the incidents, this day will never end. And the year will never end. And I'm very proud of you because you are doing marvelous work outside. People appreciate you, and you are upholding the school flag. And you're living up to your motto of pray and work. Continue to do it, and I assure you that success will be yours. Even in moments of failure, you will be successful. Because as a human being, we will have moments of failure. But even how we come out of the failure is success for us. So I wish you all the best, and I think I cannot get words because you have tackled me from my childhood, from my friends, from 3rd standard right up today, and I'm just assimilating it as a biology teacher. For digestion itself, you need 3 hours, and it's not yet 3 hours. Then after the digestion, they assimilate distribution. After the distribution, assimilation, then nutrition. So I'm just choked. I cannot say anything other than a very, very big thank you, children. May God bless one and all of you. Continue to love Clooney, be with Clooney, uphold Clooney wherever you are, as a mother, as a wife, as a companion, as a teacher, as a doctor, as an engineer, as an architect, and as an IT professional, as a computer software engineer, whatever God has called you to do, wherever you are, grow. Grow to fullness, and as Sister Martha has rightly put it, be women of substance. May the world look up to you, and may this great nation go ahead. We are in the midst of politics. We have Rahul Gandhi calling the young and challenging you. I challenge you along with him. Lift this country up by your sincerity, by your dedication, by your honesty, and by your hard work. And may we be proud to be children of Clooney and proud to be citizens of this wonderful nation, India. Jai Hind.